Unlocking wealth, mastering AI for content creation. In the digital age, AI for content creation is revolutionizing how we generate income online. Let's dive into how you can leverage it. Firstly, identifying the right AI tools is crucial. From writing assistants to graphic design software, choose tools that align with your content goals. With the tools selected, it's time to define your niche. Whether it's blogging, social media, or video content, focus is key to attracting an audience. Next, create a content calendar. Use AI to analyze trends and demands in your niche, planning your content to match audience interest peaks. Engage your audience with personalized content. AI can help tailor your messages, making your audience feel valued and increasing interaction rates. Monetize your content through various channels. Whether it's through affiliate marketing, sponsored content, or ad revenue, AI can optimize your earning potential. Finally, always analyze and adjust. Use AI to track performance and refine your strategy, ensuring your content creation remains lucrative and relevant.